You will love the features of this 2023 Nissan Titan. The bold styling of this powerful Titan is just the start. This full-size pickup delivers the strength and capability you need to meet the challenge. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, satellite radio, blind spot monitor, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection. Rugged capability meets refined comfort in this well-appointed Titan. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.